عديت نفسي أنا سلام
هاري نفسي هذا
سلام بلا كمان كده
فرينا الله ها ديك على رجعت لاتني نزي مثلا
عدي ما عارف هو حمام بترقيه أنا دافت اللي تتصدق حنير كمان كده
لا ترى بس زاور يا
تزاور لنا حج تزاور نجيمنا سمع عنده تترق درفي خوت ليسي أبزا يرينا دروب كده بعد عجز دكانا برا اللي جالس ناس فلتتهم
كيف كانت
تقولها درف ده
غرف تصعد كم بركة له حرز قط ماله شوقي عركي عجو كخيفك
ما هبنا برا دراش
اسكوزي عارف
هل كان
تليفون يا سيا جويلك كده صار نفسي أملاك حاجزك أبزع لا في إرنا وي إلنا دربها على آخر علن
عادي معاري
أخيفني بك
أسرع باكر اللي وأقاله ما بعمل كتريان
وعيترس عنا سم دارس حق يلوناي
وعيرس عنا كم يجرنا
أوكي بلا صراحة
حرايم كده ملت حرايم
وحراي حرايم روح معسك حراي بقى
ها تو
سلام ويتوعد
مرحبا
سلام بحال عندي تساليني مزيد الله
انت تحابا بركه
هو درف خوت دلس ابتهرمت قال تحابر ندلي دولس قال لي يسدد نمو هو مثلا
وش من خبري كان
شمي صاريا
صاريا وانت حاز بكان حاوينا
هو حجي تاعي مسيلك درف خوت دلس عرفت زي ما تصبق الله كان ابتهرمت كتحابر قال لي جاب كوموس نزع عد بقى تشاو كبلا دلي بذا 11 درف يفعل
انت هرمت غن
اخرار قرب فتنه فلوتونا حموني
صقم يلن دحان فتنه كامو او نريا
ريموت ستوديو ما نعطو
صقم يلن انت ستوديو
سمع عن الله اوكي تشوكي نفسي حسكاني الجهان أقرأ حزن نور اوكي انا حجي كل زنبرني اوصي هي مكان الله اساها حجي بتا ناتكا خليتها يركا تخيفني
سمعان اندو تدري فيكم بهم درفو مساعات غيركم مش
نساته بالعدله تمرت لها انا مسقطفه
ماشي دحن صقم يلن تحابرك حاوين ده عندي كمان تحابر الله
نسو طرح كما يكونن البوم كمان كنوص نبلالا نحيت بلالا
البوم ده هزبلك
البوم ده قليلو
معلم مصارع نزي ادرف مو نغبر ني البوم كا دحن نابزم كوتا اكل علي زلو انت لو امبر لولي مثلا ناوم كسدك سوم تراردا مالك
زي كم زي انت دلي كم زي
عدي معاري صار سليت
عيني بالنسبة لي بزاموت
Man, what is this guy? It is 9 o'clock. Hey boss, hey, no, I'm sorry. I ordered this Uber guy named Fasahi. He's not here, boss. I'm sorry. I'll be right there as soon as I can. I don't know where he is, to be honest. He should be here any minute, though. I do apologize. I understand, sir. All right. Bye. Man, you Facade, the Uber driver?
Yes, sir. How are you, my friend? Get in.
I'm good, man.
Be careful. Don't sit on the bered.
The what?
Sauce hot. Sauce hot.
Hot sauce?
Hot sauce. Hey, good, my friend.
What do you call it? A berbere?
Berbere, my friend.
Where you from? Fasaha?
Oh, my friend. I am from the east.
East where?
East, what you call?
What country?
Oh, Eritrea.
Ethiopia?
My friend. Yeah, I say Eritrea.
Oh, okay.
Eritrea.
All right.
It's good.
What took you so long? I said 6 a.m. It's 9 a.m. right now.
Oh, my friend. 6 a.m., 9 a.m. all the time. All the time. For me, all the time the same. I'm Habesha. You say Eritrea.
All the time the same?
All the
it's
time.
Not the same.
I'm here, my friend.
It's 6 a.m. 6 is downwards, the 9 is upwards.
My friend, I tell you, all the time the same. I'm here, right?
Oh, so you're always late?
No.
I should have known, man.
Oh, man. My friend, where do we go?
Just take me to Tyson's, man.
Tyson's, good. Tyson's corner. Okay, let's go.
And what is that smell in your car, man?
Zinjera, you like it? This is traditional food. She's my wife. I tell her, you know, I'm working. She say, call me all the time. Bring this.
Whatever, man. Hurry up, man. Get me the
Sorry. Here, I got water for you. Where's the water?
The what?
Water. What's water for you? Yes, sir. It's good.
Why is it so hot, cuz?
It's hot?
It's hot.
Oh, my friend, I got perfect solution.
What are you doing? Hot water?
Perfect solution here.
What is this?
It's tea for you.
What are you making a tea?
This is traditional Eritrean tea. My friend, go make tea.
Was it hot water?
That's good.
Man.
We go in destination right away with your tea. You understand me?
Are you gonna charge me for this?
No, it's a inconvenience fee. How do you say?
For inconvenience?
Yes, sir. You know I try in English the best. I've been here for.
How long you been here?
4 years now.
4 years?
4 years.
Okay. And this car looks like 1998, man.
This Toyota, my friend, the best car.
Yeah, I mean,
this Habesha car.
Okay.
It's the best car in the world.
All right.
Everyone have it. It's over. I don't care.
Okay, keep your eyes on the road, man.
I'm going, my friend. I'm going. Let's go. I'm going.
You tripping, man.
I'm going, man. Fasaha's going.
And can you turn on the AC, man?
AC?
Yeah.
My friend, you complain too much. It's very cold. It's very cold.
I'm sweating. You're sweating too, man.
My friend, this is called tish. I'm having tish now, but you are AC here. This AC right there. You see?
Oh, that's why you broke the window?
Of course, my friend. Of course.
We're going to show you how to classify.
Give me Zugaila. We are going.
Keep your eyes on the road, man.
I'm going, my friend. You are listening? Asmara, that's my city, my friend. I don't understand. My friend, I'm sweating.
Oh, this man.
What?
Hey, man. Thank you. I don't want this, man.
You are the inconvenience, my friend. You are, my friend. Where's my stars?
What?
My stars.
What's a star?
For my Uber, sir.
Oh,
I give you tea, I give you water, you complain no star, my friend.
You want star?
Yes. What's up,